Hello guys, welcome to another video. I got the 68 Corvette gas monkey garage from Hot Wheels. Look pretty cool on the packaging, the artwork, and the gas monkey garage. Look nice and back. Look really nice. Look really cool. Fresh out of the packaging. I got this at the flea market for $15. It's full was in price for $15 a can. I think wait, this car's in Texas. Let's see. No, let's say Texas on it, but yeah. So I gonna read through this and I will open this and I'm gonna see what's happening. I can open it. Well, I got it out of the packaging. Looks so nice. I like the gold, old, must old. Oh, that's pretty cool. Is have gold in the rims. Yeah, let's see that on it. No, oh, this is a 2016 model. I like that